Hey guys, it's nia.zhrane, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, we're doing this simple makeup look using new products as well as doing different makeup techniques that I've learned along the way while I've been MIA. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching. Also, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at nia.zhrane. So now let's get into this video. Hey my loves, welcome back. First things first, what I'm gonna do is prep the skin by applying this Pause Dry skin cream all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer so that I can ensure I have a flawless finish, and just apply that all over the skin as well. So I learned this trick from TikTok. What I'm doing is taking my Morphe eyelid primer and applying it under the eyes so it can prevent creasing, because I do have some wrinkles under my eyes. Once that's done, I am going to take my Fenty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey and apply it all over the face to set it in place. And I think after that, I am going to conceal my brows. The trick I saw, and I really liked how it looked, is taking the concealer that's the same shade as me and applying it to the front of the brow. And to give it that highlight look, I took the concealer that's a little lighter that's used for my under eye, and I applied it to the ends of the brow, and then I blend it out. All of the brushes that I used today will be listed down below in the description box. See at the end, I'm going to take my Hydro Camo Concealer from e.l.f. in the shade Deep Chestnut because it's the closest to my skin tone, and I'm going to cover all of my dark spots and let it sit for about like 5 minutes or so. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I know I've been MIA, but we back, I promise. So if you're new, just hit that subscribe button, because there's more to come now that school is over. I'm going to now take that Real Techniques brush and blend, just pressing the concealer in so everything can be blended seamlessly. Now that everything is set, I'm going in with my now favorite foundation in the shade 27, the Morphe Filter Effects Foundation, and I just, instead of applying it on the brush, I'm just applying it directly to my face, and then I'm going to go in with the foundation brush it came with because it was for free. And I'm going to blend everything out. I really like this foundation brush, and it blends everything out seamlessly. Sometimes I'll be thinking that my foundation don't really be matching my face, but it actually does look like it matches my face. It's just a little lighter because my body is lighter than my face, so I have to match my like always. I'm taking some leftover foundation and just cleaning up the top of my brows and blending it back in with the foundation brush as well as my concealer brush. My favorite part, we are going to conceal and highlight the face down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, upper lip. And the new technique that I saw on TikTok is I'm putting some in the inner corner and then skipping out on the middle of the under eye and then going in and essentially like cutting a cut crease so it can give it that lift. And next I'm going to go in with contour. I'm taking my MAC foundation stick in the shade NW50 and just applying it to my forehead, cheekbones, and the nose bridge. It can give it that contoured look and my MAC could be snatched and bring some color back into my face. I might have to get a darker shade because it really don't look like it, but I feel like it just gives it like a bronzy look. And now I'm going to take that Real Techniques brush, that dense Real Techniques brush, and blend out the contour first and then go into blending out the concealer. To get a more, or probably a seamless blend, I'm taking my Morphe continuous setting spray and spraying it all over my face, then going in to blend out, going in and blending out all the areas I highlighted. And just a little note, I let the concealer dry down for about 5 minutes before I went in under my eyes, because I have a problem with it peeking through. So I discovered that that's the best way for me to do it. And as you can see, as I am blending out my concealer, how it gives it that lifted look. You're gonna see in a little while once everything is blended out. For extra coverage, I went back in with a little bit more concealer under my eyes, so I'm gonna let that dry down and take that foundation brush I used to apply my foundation and blend out the edges where the contour and the highlight meet, as well as my foundation, so everything could have a seamless blend and there is no harsh lines. Just blend out my concealer and try my best to stay right in a little area and not move it around as much. before applying my setting powder, I'm just going in with my beauty blender and blending out my under eyes to make sure everything is good. And then I'm going to be pressing the setting powder into my face versus baking, so there's no white undercast. There's no flashback. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So that there's no flashback. So now to bring some color back into my face, I'm taking my Fenty Sun Stalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. Excuse that. Like, I really was excited for this bronzer because of the pigmentation, but I am bronzing all the areas I contoured earlier, and as you can see, the color is coming back into my face and it looks so good. Mama be trying that thing, okay? So with this, what's meant to be an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use that to contour my nose carefully and just pat it in, also using swiper motion to blend it out seamlessly and bring it into my brows. And also what I am going to do is use it as an eyeshadow, bringing it into my crease, so I could add some depth to my eyes. Being that we've all just been on TikTok as of lately, let me know down below in the comment section what makeup techniques you've seen on TikTok and you use on a daily basis and you love. Because girl, when I tell you, I really will be finding all the tips on TikTok, and that's very crazy to me, but TikTok does come in clutch. Now for the only blush palette I use, I can't say favorite because I wanted to get the other blush palette Juvia's Place had, but I can't find it. I'm taking the shades Tahoe and Lena and mixing that together and applying it not to my cheekbones but a little bit above my cheekbones, right in that upper area, so it can give my face that lift versus dragging it down how I normally do my blush. And I'm taking this big fluffy brush from Morphe and just blending everything in because I felt like it was too bright, but it looks very much fine now. And then I'm taking my Morphe continuous setting spray and just setting everything in place before I finish off the face. So to set my face, the rest of my face, I'm taking Studio Fix Plus powder in the shade NW43, and I'm just setting my entire face so that everything can blend together. And now, moving along, I am taking my Bretman Rocks palette in that shade Shady Bitch, and I am applying it lightly to the highlight, the places I can never figure out what's that called, but you see where I'm applying it. And then I'm going in under my lip, above my lip, a little bit on my bridge, and that's it for the highlighted areas. I'm taking my MAC lip liner in the shade Quirk along with my Morphe liquid lippy in the shade I don't know right now, but it will be listed down below in the description box. And I'm just doing what I do to pull everything together to give my lips that natural nude look.
the end of the weekend.
All right, guys, so this is the final look. I really loved how it turned out. These products, literally, like, no lie, I really loved how it turned out. If you like my makeup tutorials and you want me to try out new products, just list them down below. Let me know down below in the description box. And if you made it all the way to the end and you hit that subscribe button, just hit it. It's free and you're gonna love it here. Also, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at nia.zhrane, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.